Joe here, and damn, what a day. A week ago, I was up $1,000 in the stock market in just like, about a 3-month period. So doing pretty good, averaging 300 a month. But damn, these last 3 or 4 days, already Friday, I had already lost that 1,000, so I was even. After today, boy, I took a beating. I lost another 1,100 or something. Shit, man, it's tough. It's really tough. And plus, I had some bad timing, but you know what they say, you can't really time the stock market that well. But if I had been able to start this day trading, a year or 2 years ago, instead of when I was working and then they were just automatically putting it in the 401k for me, just buying but not selling, so anyway, it's about the averages or whatever in the long haul. But now I want to be in control of it, since I'm not able to work anymore. Oh man, I don't know, you never know. Like, I guess a lot of people might have been sitting back thinking, oh man, this is too high already and the bubble's gonna pop. And I try to limit myself and just buy a little bit. It wasn't never really any real big dips, but maybe 5% at the most. But oh man, I just don't know what to do, man. Shit. I transferred another 10,000 over, so I'm at 50,000. But you really, to make a little bit of money, you figure it's let's just say you buy a stock and it's $1,000. Well, if it only goes up 1%, you only made $10. Or say it goes up 5%, well, you only made $50. So to you got to have like almost $10,000 and make $500 a trade. But only the very rich have that much money. So I'm still hoping for the long haul. They said the S&P has a 5-year positive return, so it's never lost money over a 5-year period. Now, I'm not sure about the whole stock market in general. I had to get a drink. I had some Coke and rum, actually, Coke Zero and Malibu coconut rum. Ran out of all the beers and wine coolers, so I was having to resort to this. But man, I need to soak my sorrows away. I'm hoping for tomorrow, because this will almost 700 points today. So I'm hoping that was just in the Dow, but I'm hoping tomorrow it makes a little bit of comeback, so I can sell some of it and get a profit, and then have some more to buy the next time it goes down, because it keeps going down, and then you're obligated every time it goes down to buy some more to keep up with it, because it just seems like it's a better value. But I don't know if this is actually the time that it's going to if this is the beginning of the bubble bursting. It's yet to be seen. But this pretty bad, like a maybe 4-day run of negative returns. And yeah, I need some help, man. I'm hoping this channel can provide me with some income in the future. So please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.